Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Today I'm making a really quick and tasty chicken karahi recipe. I have listed all the ingredients at the bottom of this video, so let's get started. So spices here are 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt, few green chillies, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, crushed coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon paprika powder and some black whole pepper, 1 kilo of boneless chicken thigh, half a tin of crushed tomatoes, 2 fresh tomatoes and a handful of garlic and 2-inch piece of ginger that I've crushed. Going to add all them spices to the chicken now, apart from the cumin seeds. Into the oil are going the cumin seeds. I added half a tin of crushed tomatoes, let them cook for a minute whilst I chopped my fresh tomatoes and added them in as well. Going to add my chicken now and garlic and ginger and put the heat on high and just cook it on a high heat without the lid. Now that I can see some of the oil separating from the gravy, I'm gonna put the lid on, put the gas down to low and cook it further until it turns like a dark colour and more of the oil has separated. Gonna add some fresh coriander now and keep it on low and carry on cooking it for another 5 or 6 minutes. Here is my finished chicken karahi. It's very easy to make yet very tasty. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do try it out and I'll see you again with another recipe soon.